Good morning. It's Friday. Woo! After some hellacious rains yesterday, and we're back on the road. Yesterday was pretty crazy. Maybe it was day before. All right, so that's that Thursday, Wednesday. Wednesday was absolutely terrible for me. And in Misadventures of Steve, I gave myself food poisoning. Woo! That was absolutely miserable. Took chicken to work. I had packed chicken and stuff, and then on Tuesday I had it in my lunch bag all day long. And I got Subway. And I felt guilty, and I'm like, oh man, in these times and stuff, I don't want to, I'm always preaching, don't waste, eat everything. And I'm usually the dumpster that eats all the leftover stuff, or as much of the leftover stuff as I possibly can. So, I stuff it back in my bag the next day, and I take it to work. So that was, one full day in the bag. And then, what's this cat doing? Alright. Bye now. So it was another half day or so that it was in the bag. And I decided to eat it. It was already a couple days old. Now we made it up on Saturday, I think. But me being stubborn and thick-headed and everything, I'm like, I'm gonna eat this. I'm not wasting anything. So, man, I ate it. Took about nearly 3 hours. About 3 hours, around 4 o'clock or so. Man, I got sick. Like, I was hurt. Comes up about 5 o'clock. I'm looking at the clock. I'm praying for this day to end. I'm like, everybody leave the office. Go. Once they were out the door, I was out behind them. And on the way home, I just started feeling really sleepy. My gut felt so bloated. And it just felt like it was swelling more and more. Just the pressure. And that pressure wasn't going anywhere. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Say no more. And I got home, and all I could do, I just went and took a hot bath. I don't know if it was helping or hurting or whatever. Just a hot bath. I stayed in the bath for, 2 hours or so. Got out, got into bed, and man, that's how I ended my night. Sick as a dog, just belly aching, hurting. No headache, nothing else, just my stomach. And like I did 1,000 crunches the day before, but more of a sharper pain in the lower abdomen, but whatever. It kicked my ass, messed me up good. The next day, which yesterday, I was pretty sore in the morning, still made it into work. I was belly aching, walking a little hunched over. It was starting to hurt my back too, because I was walking stupid. I won't do that again. Just because I felt guilty for having Subway and trying to hide my little trying to hide stuff from my wife, who's truly not an evil person at all. Very lovely, very lovely. What I did was just pure stupid and self-inflicted and self-imagined. Nobody would have had a problem with me throwing out chicken that was days old in my lunch bag for a day and a half. I made that crap up in my own head and made myself sick. Sick. Who puts this shit on the road? Seriously. That's the shit that caused my wreck. I'm so sick of that. One day I'm going to trace it. And I know the last time I traced it went over to Gettysburg Auto Auction. But it's the same stuff all the time that's being used. When I find out who it is, it's not going to be a good day. Anyway, so I figured out something I should have always known. Water. water seemed to be the key. Dumping lots of water in me. I was ready to eat a whole box of X-Lax too. You know, at first I was taking things for gas relief, and oh, now we're getting TMI. I should just stop now. That's right. That could be why.